This is a really two different worlds exactly. If you see my father, he's very shanty, very quiet. I does things easily. And if you met my mother, the energy I have, it's my mom. Everything is happy, everything is energized, not quiet. And sometimes, in Israel, the house, if you can see which culture is that. If it's very quiet, comes from, and we had to deal with both cultures. So my family name is Moses. By the way, before it was Moses, my grandfather changed it. It was Nagaukel, which is an Indian one. So we the children had to work with both families and make something Moses thing, we say it. We made together. It's noisy, but it's very manner. We have a lot of manners of English people. And you took both of them. And my grandmother was a wonderful Indian woman, wonderful. She was a teacher and very educated person, but very quiet. And my grandfather, the Moroccan one, yes, you can feel the energy. And when we met all together, you had to make sure everybody feels comfortable. That was amazing. I think that's what, by the way, gave me the skills to work with more people. Otherwise, you would think everybody's like this or everybody's like that. So that made a challenge. But I think it's for the good, because as a kid, I spoke English to my grandmother. I heard a lot of Hindi songs at the house. I learned Moroccan from my mom. I learned French from my all kind of relative who came. I think it made me a better person, an open person to all cultures. Both Jewish, yes, but the Indian Jewish and Moroccan Jewish has different cultures, different behaviors, different rules even. The Indian are more easy. The Moroccan are more harsh. I think I learned a lot as a kid saying, okay, I have to get along with everybody. There's no good, bad. They're all my relatives.